Welcome. Today, this is another edition on my YouTube channel. I'm still I will excel the mathematics teacher. We are still on the preparation of addition and subtraction of fraction, still on long multiplication. We have finished our LCM, long division, and we are still preparing the ground for a great study, addition and subtraction of fraction. We still need to know long multiplication so that we don't have any problem along the line as we go into the study. I say that this study is very good for grade 4 to 6 because if you get to grade 4, you will start learning long multiplication because most of the sum you are going to come across from then on will involve long multiplication. So please, I want you to pay attention and listen attentively as I lead you through the long multiplication. You're going to find it very simple. Thank you for watching. Be very attentive. You will learn a lot today. Thank you. Okay, this first sum here is not necessarily long multiplication, but I brought it here to lay a foundation for you to understand how I will go on other ones. So pay attention very well as I write. I say 4 times 4. 4 times 4 will give me what? 16. I write 6 and I say 4 times 3 will give me 12. This 12 plus this one will give me 13. That's why I come here and write 13. This is how I do it. This is how I do it. Okay, watch this side now. This one is tens and the unit. This is tens and the unit. We are going to do the unit first before we do that of tens. Okay. 6 times 7. Remember I told you don't open your multiplication table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 12, 12, 12. Then add up the 6. This one will give us 12. We put 1 here, and this one will give us 4. That is 42. So 6 times 12 will give us what? 42. Good. And we write 2. Then 6 times 8. 6 times 8. Since 6 times 7 is 42, 6 times 8 is going to be 42 plus 6. That will be 6 times 8. That will give us 48. That will give us what? 48. Okay? 48. And this 48 plus this 4. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Write 2. 52. That will give us what? 52. And we write 52. We have finished with the unit. We are now going over to use the tens. Okay. We say 3 times 7. 1, 2, 3. 14, 7, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Write 1, 21. You see it? So we have 21. 3 times 7 will give us 21. So we write 1. Where do we write it? Along the one we are using. You write 1. Then we say 3 again times 8. If you check it the way we normally check it, you get it is 24. So you see 24 plus these two, that will give us 26. And I write 26, then I add this down to 3, 11, 3. This is the answer for this one. Very simple. Okay, let's get to this one. 4 times 9. Remember, we say 1, 2, 3, 4. 18, 18. 16, 36. So 4 times 9 is giving us what? 36. We write 6. 4 times 6. is giving us 24. Then this 24 plus 3 will give us 27. Will give us what? 27. We write 7. Remaining 2 there. Then 4 again times 2 will give us 8. This 8 plus that 2 that remain will give us 10. And we write 10. Good. We get to the tens line. 5 times 9 will give us 45. Then we write 5. Look at where we're going to write the 5. Here. Again, 5 times 6 will give us 30. 30 plus 4 will give us 34. We write 4. Give us 34. We write 4. Remain 3. 5 times 2 will give us 10. 10 plus 3 will give us 13. And we come and write 13. And we add up. 6. This plus this will give us 12. Carry 1, put here. And we have 5, 3, 4, and 1. See? This is the answer to this. Very simple. Some of you dread this long multiplication. But when you follow this way, adding it according to tens and according to units, you are not going to miss any digit. So let's get to this one that is having 3 digits. Okay. Here we have 1 times 1 will give us 1, and I write 1. 1 times 4 will give us 4, and I write 4. 1 times 7 will give us 7, and I write 7. We have finished the units. The tens. 5 times 1 will give us 5. I write 5 under 5. Again, 5 times 4 will give us 20. We write 0. 2 is still there. 5 times 7 will give us 35. 35 plus 2 will give us 37. And we write 37. Okay. Remain the 100. We have 2 times 1 will give us 2. Under 2, we write 2. 2 times 4 will give us 8. We write 8. 2 times 7 will give us 14. And we write 14. And we add. This one is 9. 9. 15. Carry 1, put here 8. 1. See how the answer goes. Very simple. This is how we get our long multiplication. When you multiply with unit, you write it under unit. If you start multiplying with the tens, you start writing under tens, all going this side. If you do it like this, there is no digit you will miss, and you're going to get your answer very correct, because you're going to meet it when we are doing our addition of fraction and subtraction of fraction. When you see it there, you find it very easy solving the math. That will not stop you along the line. You will move on solving the math, because some of these children, when they get to this point, they will say, I don't know what to do. Don't say you don't know what to do. When we start it, we are going to move very well. That is where we come to the end of this section. And I hope you like it very much. If you like it, you share it with your friends. Let them experience what you're seeing. Thank you very much. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share my video. Share my video to your friends. Parents, allow your children to come to my channel. They are going to learn a lot. Thank you very much for today. I'm very grateful. Thank you so much. Bye.